Yo, what's going on guys? Team Riff here. In this video, we're going to be breaking down my TikTok ads value optimization strategy. If you're new to this channel, of course, we talk about TikTok ads, drop shipping, e-commerce, how to make money online, pretty much everything of that nature. So if that's something that you're interested in, make sure you hit the like button, subscribe to this channel, and it really does show me that you guys enjoy these videos and I continue to make them. Also, we have a ton of free training below, and Spy Talk, the #1 TikTok ad spy tool on how I find these winning products that I scale on TikTok, is also linked below. You can get beta access and be grandfathered in at that discounted price as it releases and as the software grows. But let's get straight into the video here, and I'm going to show you guys my exact strategy, kind of what I'm working on and the early stages. This is pretty much a live audit. Like, this is today of my TikTok ad account of this brand that I'm scaling. And I just started playing around with the value, which is really cool. Normally, I have a ton of videos right on lowest cost and cost cap bidding, which I think is super cool. I'm gonna show you guys in a second how they match up and rank. But even if you get the tiniest bit of information out of this video, it's huge because you can apply it straight to your ad account. I'd rather make these type of videos for you rather than the 14-day drop shipping challenge or top 10 products of July or top 10 products you wouldn't, with like a clickbait thumbnail and all this stuff just to get clout views. And it's all
Today, Junior?
regurgitated content, which I don't really think you deserve, and your time shouldn't be wasted. So let's get right, as I said again, let's get right into this value optimization strategy here. So before, if you haven't watched my previous video, you know that I was doing a lot of cost cap bidding inside this ad account, and now we're really moving on and testing different things. So we're taking the winning ad groups that we already have, our winning ad groups that perform really well, and now we're testing value optimization. So it's similar to what bids that I'm testing on value optimization and cost cap. So this was the first bid of value minimum ROAS that I launched yesterday at 2.77. That was the minimum ROAS that I selected, and you could see here 14 cents CPC crushed it, CPM under $2, and the CPA not even tracked correctly in my opinion. Very like 60 to 70% being tracked. I don't know why the pixel's been weird lately, but CPA amazing compared to even the cost caps. Cost cap CPA was like 15 to about $25 CPA, and we're still hitting 30 to 40% margins on this store. Obviously, right, this is still low scale, but I'm telling you guys almost what I'm doing and what I'm going to continue to do into this ad account and across all other brands that I'm working on and working with. So we have this one value optimization ad group 2.77 with an automated creative optimization targeting US, no interest, super broad, 18 to 55 plus, male, female, ACO, and 712 ads is the date that we uploaded these new ad creatives in. And like I said, once I get new ads as well, I'm going to be taking my winning bids and ad groups and just plugging in my new creatives. And inside this ad group, I have 3 to 5 ad creatives and 3 ad texts, 3 ad copies with dynamic CTA or call to action on. So I decided, hey, I'm gonna test 2.77 bid and a 3.33 ROAS bid just to see how it goes. Obviously the 2.77 did better, much better than the 3.3, but it still performed well. And what I'm seeing is my normal cost per add to cart is around $6 to $8 on this product. On these ad groups, it hit $2 to $3. Obviously, like, there's only $60 spent on these ad groups, and the significance isn't as high as I would like to, but I'm gonna keep you guys updated throughout the days as well on how these are performing over time. But what I did today was I duplicated that 2.77 ROAS one, and now I'm gonna be testing in 1 cent increments. Again, if you have watched the other previous video, you know I'm trying to keep this a bit lower scale until the payment processing can get settled, and that should be this week. So after this week, I'm gonna really scale this up for you guys, and you'll see, like, you'll come back to this video and be like, oh damn, like look where he was and where he is now. I'm doing this live. Like, this is today, guys. You're in my computer. I'm not faking anything. But basically, the strategy is I'm taking this bid at 2.77. I don't really have a reasoning why I started at 2.77. It's just a bid I started with, and now I'm going in 1 cent increments: 2.78, 2.79, 2.8, 2.81, 2.82, and I could launch a ton more, but I'm not, just because, like I said, I don't want to go too crazy with the ad budgets yet, and or else, I can't fulfill the orders with the processing. and all will be at a $50 budget, duplicated the same. So everything's the same. The only thing that's different now is the bidding. And you could do that too with this. Say if this 3.3 did better, you can go up from there. You can literally test as many 1 cent increments as possible if you really want to scale this. And let's say you find a winning bid. I found a winning bid. This 2.77 is absolutely crushing for me, right? A $2 cost add to cart on an average order value of about 40 to 50 bucks is really good. So what do? You're probably like, okay, dude, like I found these winning bids. I tested 1 cent increments. My ad account's going well. I'm starting to spend. What do? I got you. So you take this winning bid. I know this is about to sound crazy, and I know nobody else is talking about this online. Nobody's making any YouTube videos out of this. So guys, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel if you want more content like this. Like I said, I could literally not post any of these videos. I could just keep watching this myself, not do anything, right? Just keep running my stores and making money and not sharing it all. But like I said, I love sharing this information with you because I know we're all in the same boat. We're on the same journey. We all want to make money with our stores. And sometimes it's hard to actually find good information without going through a million Discord groups and chatting around. Like this video, straight to the point, value optimization. Here's a strategy, boom, 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 right? So if you like these videos, like I said, tell me in the comments because I really appreciate it. It shows me that you guys actually care, and you support me and the channel, and what I have and give to you guys. So let's say I have this winning bid at 2.77. What I want to do, like I said, I know it sounds crazy. You duplicate this bid. I'm going to duplicate this ad group 10 times, okay? 10 times at the same bid. And you're probably like, oh, you're competing with your bid. Dude, whatever. Try it out and you tell me what you think and what it does for your success in TikTok. But try it out. 10 ad groups, duplicate this. And this is all in an ABO campaign, right? I'm going to duplicate this 10 times, all in an ABO. That means just ad set budgets, no CBOs, and I'll launch them all at 50 bucks. Then throughout the days, the next 1 to 2 days in the spend, if after around 2 times to 1.5 times my break-even ROAS, I'm gonna kill it. Or if the CPA doesn't match it, or if the ad carts are just super high. So I have this baseline one, right? I have this baseline ad group, so I know what data it should be getting. Every single one of these 2.77 minimum ROAS should be getting at least a $2 out of cart, should be getting a close CPA of this. So we have our baseline. Then after you're watching your ad groups, you're watching inside your TikTok ad account, you have that baseline. So go off of that. Be on your ads, be in your ads manager, and see when you launch these 10 ad groups, how does it do? But yeah, just do ABO, 10 ad groups at that bid. Okay, now you have a baseline and you can cut. And the cool part is you can do that with every bid. So say this 2.78 did well, 10 times. 2.81 did well, 10 times. 2.82 did amazing, 10 times. And you just go off that. And this is like, guys, I'm like becoming such a Chad TikTok ads guy. I have one campaign right now. I have one campaign that I'm doing all of this in. I don't have my cost cap separated. I don't have my value separated. I don't have my lowest cost separated. All of this is in one campaign. And I really think that actually helps the algorithm and helps the CPA across the ad groups, because a lot of cost caps, right? They won't spend. They'll be like, oh, why are my cost caps not spending? Well, try this. Add in some lowest cost complete payment ad groups inside that same structure, or add in different optimization inside that same campaign. So guys, one campaign for everything right now on top of funnel. But that was basically a quick overview. I'm gonna keep you guys updated on how this goes. If you want to see it and you want to see more strategies like this, like I said, like the video, show some love, throw in the comment section maybe if you have any questions. If you still don't understand, rewatch the video again. I know sometimes I throw a ton of buzzwords or I may be going too quickly, but you'll start to understand what I mean as you go through the video, over and over. But as I said, make sure you hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, throw some comments below, shoot me a message. We're on the same path, we're on the same journey, and that's why I really make these videos for you guys. Also, don't forget, Spy Talk dropping real soon. Every single beta member that is gonna get access will have that grandfather discount for life. I plan to release it at $99 for beta, and then after that, once it's fully released, it's gonna be increased much higher in price. So if you want to have that lifetime access at that beta price, make sure you put your email, your phone number in the description. You check it out. As always, guys, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.
How many millions did I make this year? Maybe 12. All I need's a couple weeks to make it 13. Me, I can stay in touch and still be out of your reach.